electrolysis, what they do is, this is a simple diagram of electrolysis. They place two carbon plates or rods into a solution, a copper chloride solution. Okay? They use other solutions as well, the ionic solutions. And then they connect these rods with a current and the battery or whatever. And then they let the current flow through it. So what happens is the current causes this copper chloride to split. Because this is a negative plate, it will pull the positive ions out of the solution to break it. And this is a positive plate coming from the positive side of the battery. This will pull the negative side of the compound away from it. So what will happen is you'll see little bubbles coming up on the one plate, and you'll see little deposits of copper on the other plate. And that's how they actually split that solution into two. Now, the copper chloride is called an electrolyte because it serves to split that solution into two. And it's used to allow the electric current to go through. Now, as this reaction happens, this copper chloride, all the copper from that solution will pull to that plate, and you'll have a copper deposit or precipitate of copper ions will be stuck onto that electroplate. And the bubbles will be actually the chlorine gas that is attracted to this particular plate, which is the positive plate. Now the positive plate is called the anode, and the negative plate is called the cathode. So the positive ions are being pulled out of the solution towards the negative plate, and the negative ions are pulled away to the positive plate, the anode. So electrolysis actually is an electric current is used to split and separate components of a compound. And then carbon electrode, why they use a carbon electrode? Because it's neutral, it's not affected, it doesn't have an affinity, it doesn't have an attraction for chlorine or for copper. It doesn't need it. So they use that, it's a neutral kind of plate. And that will create your possibility as an electrolyte to split the two compounds, the two components of a compound. Now, if they should ask you the question like, where do they use electrolysis in the industry? Then you heard about electroplating. So that's where they use it, electroplating. If they want to refine a metal, they want to make it very pure, they use an electrolyte, an electrolysis. And they also use it to produce certain chemicals. To produce chemicals in which they want to produce chlorine, which is used in jig. Alright? And they also use it for disinfectants. And they also use it to remove aluminium from rocks. Okay, did you get that one? So that they can ask you questions like that. Okay, you can stop.